Hi guys, this is going to be a mystery Chanel unboxing. I have something in this huge package here and I don't know what's inside here, and I'm going to unbox it with you. It's definitely a bag, but I don't know what bag it is, so I'm very excited, but I'm very nervous as well. I'm gonna unpack this together with you. I'm so nervous. Okay, backstory first. My husband had another business trip to Japan, so of course I told him, you know what, see what's there in Chanel and see if there's anything nice. I got this from the Ginza store in Tokyo, and for some reason the Ginza store, the packages, the paper bag comes in this white type of paper bag with a camellia on it. And apparently he got it, the sales associate who helped him was the same lady who helped me with my very first Chanel necklace when we went there for holiday a couple of months ago. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. So he has transported this all the way from Tokyo to Singapore, and here it is. It is full glory. I have still no idea what it is, but it's very, very heavy. I did see a couple of tote bags which I thought were cool. Their DEAUVILLE totes are out for this particular season. So I did send him some pictures, but then I asked him to see if, you know, they have a lot of second-hand luxury stores in Tokyo. And I always I was telling him, why don't you see how much they're selling these type of bags there for, because it's just so expensive to buy it firsthand. But then I actually looked at some of the reselling sites and realized that with Chanel, like, even if you buy it firsthand or secondhand, the price difference is really not a lot, even if the bag is not of great quality. I guess it's just the branding that really helps. So I guess, you know, it's true what they say, if you really want to invest in a good bag, go with Chanel. Didn't expect anything because he said he didn't have time, etc. So this morning he came back, and the first thing he brought through the door was the huge package you saw earlier, and I thought it was something for Mika, and I told Mika to like play with it, and I realized that there's that Chanel ribbon all around. So I don't know, I'm really excited, but I'm really hoping that it's something I like, because the prices of the bags there are just so pricey. It's gonna be my second Chanel bag, and it's the one that I want. Look at that bag. It's gonna come with that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Fifi, you gotta chill, Okay, let me just... Oh my god, why is the box so big though? Okay, so this is the bag. I'm gonna take that out first. It had its own little pillow for the flight home, and then it's got this dust bag here. So I'm gonna put this here. So I did send him 3. I sent him this one, which is the same sort of design, but it is denim, and this was like 4,000 Sing dollars. And then I was also looking at this one, which is like a very businessy, serious type of bag, but I figured I didn't really need that, and this was like $7,000, which is so expensive. Not that this is cheap, but this is the one, the third one, and this is like $5,000, and this was what I preferred. And it's so pretty, and it's so light. So when I was feeling the box, I was actually getting very nervous because I hate heavy bags. I did look at a couple of videos, and the people who were reviewing this were saying that the leather one is a lot lighter than the denim one, which is, you know, a little bit strange, but I don't know, the way that they've constructed this, the leather is just very, very lightweight. And this is the DEAUVILLE tote. So it's for the current collection that they have. They always come up with the versions of this bag, but with like different color combinations. I think the one last year was similar, and then the wordings were in silver metal, but I love black and gold together. So you can see that the studs here are gold, and it has Paris there, and it is kind of like the going outwards type of bag, so kind of like the Celine tote. And then the back of it is just plain. The bottom of it has little feet there, which is super good. And then the leather is those like grained type of leather, so it's going to be very, very sturdy. As we're going out with Mika these days, he doesn't really like need his stroller anymore, so I don't really need to carry like a napkin bag, and it's easier for me to carry like a tote bag. But the previous designs of this, I didn't really like it because they didn't have any closure. I really love my Longchamp Model Depose bag because it has like a good closure. It's very lightweight, it's very durable, but this is like the upgraded version. Before I get into the bag, let me just show you the dust bag, which is huge. It goes like this, huge dust bag. So this is just like a nice cloth to like wipe your bags, because you need a Chanel cloth for that purpose. Okay, so let's get into the bag itself, and I'm rushing a little bit because I actually need to send Mika to school in a couple of minutes. Okay, first thing I love when I saw the review was that it has a closure, right? So it's very good to like close it up, and then it not only has a top handle. I'm 5'7" and I'm a size 16, so this is how it looks like on me. It's the perfect size, and I loved that it comes with a handle as well. And this handle is like the very classic Chanel handle, and it has this, which is another thing that the other design doesn't have, and this apparently makes a very big difference when you're carrying it, and it makes it very, very comfortable on your shoulder. Although I have the classic and I don't really find it that uncomfortable. So if you want to hide the handle, you can by doing this. And then the bits of the handle actually has little stoppers here, and they all have like the Chanel logo as well. Super pretty. And then in there, look at how big this is. It's so spacious. Oh my gosh, I love spacious bags. The inside of it is suede. We've got this card here, and then inside here it has not one but two compartments. Like it has one little compartment here, and then another one little compartment here, which is just plain, and then it has one more compartment here which has the Chanel like label right there. It says made in Italy, and then it's just, it feels very luxurious inside. And it also has a little like, I don't know, keychain thing here, and even the little keychain has its own little Chanel logo, just in case you forget what brand it is. So this is it. Let me just put it on for you. This is how it will look like, and I like the drop of it. It's very roomy. It's not like super high, and the weight of it is actually quite okay. It's definitely a lot heavier than my Longchamp, but that was made of nylon. But this is quite okay given that it is a full leather bag. Oh my god, this is gonna be perfect. So I have a business trip coming up this week, where I have to make like a presentation. Like it's like a one-day business trip. I have to go and then carry all my barang-barangs. This would be perfect for it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect for my business trip because I can just, it looks smart. I can put my laptop in here, I can put my shoes in here. I'm so excited. So that's how it looks like with like the handles inside. So I don't have the receipt here, but like I shared in the website, in the SingDollar one, it is 5,520. Oh, it has two colors. Let me see if I can give you the other color. It's navy blue. It's grain calfskin with gold tone metal. It looks very black and very dark here, but it might be navy blue. And it does come in, oh, it comes in two colors. It comes in navy blue and black. So I think this is the black one. The navy blue looks exactly the same, but it's navy blue. So that's that, you guys. I'm super excited. Excited to wear it today. Yeah. Oh, and I didn't show you the parts of this handle here. It says Chanel 31 Rue Cambon, which I think is like the place where she started her business or her first boutique or something like that. But yeah, I'm so excited. The first time I saw this bag, like a couple of years ago, I've always kind of liked it, but I always thought that the price was a little bit pricey. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it, I do think that 5,000 is a lot to pay for this bag, but I really like the, and the thing is, it's kind of a gamble as well, because every year they come out with different designs, and it really depends whether you get to the store fast enough to buy that design that you like, and whether once you've saved up all your money, whether that year they will come out with a design that you actually will like. And it's just very coincidental that this year I can afford it, and it is a design that I really love. It has like little buttons here with the Chanel logo as well. I keep finding new details about the bag. I'm really happy. I'm very excited to bring this to Hong Kong as well. It's going to be the perfect traveling bag, so I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I have to rush now to get my son to school. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.